Hello, so I'm Baron. Today I'll be using a wireless Apple CarPlay USB dongle in Porsche. So what this does is makes the wired CarPlay into a wireless connection. So when when you receive our package, it'll come in the package like this, and I'll open it right now. There's a user manual in every package. It shows how to update, how to use, etc., etc. Everything's in here. And you'll see this dongle. So it's actually in two pieces. You can take it out and use it as a USB, or you can leave it in and have a USB cable like this. So we'll plug in the USB dongle now. Simply connect it to the original CarPlay USB port. Wait a few seconds and a new menu will show. So this is our CarPlay dongle menu, and then on the bottom you see a Bluetooth name. So on your iPhone, switch on your Bluetooth and then look out for the Bluetooth name as seen on the screen. Oh, because I've connected it before. The Bluetooth name is on the bottom. I'll just click pair. And use CarPlay. So just accept all prompts. And then on the screen, you'll see your iPhone name. And within seconds, you're in CarPlay. Okay, so once your Bluetooth has successfully connected, you're using wireless CarPlay within seconds. A wireless CarPlay is exactly how wired CarPlay works. Everything is retained, all your factory functions. If your factory CarPlay originally supported Siri button on your steering wheel, that is supported as well. Volume controls as well. All your applications are like normal. So everything is normal. The only difference is that it's now completely wireless. And every single time you start your car, it will reconnect seamlessly every single time. And that's it. The function of this dongle is to make it wireless. Everything else is the same. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for tuning in.